Hi everyone, Lepiao here again, and this week I've been kind of learning how to play and sing along to the hymn "O Sacred Head Now Wounded." Again, it's a popular Holy Week hymn, so we're going to go through that today. So it does require quite a few chords. We're going to play in the key of C. So in addition to your regular C chords, you have the C, you have the F, you have G, and you have A. Now we also need D minor, and we also need E major, and we also need D major chord, which is the top three strings. Okay, so these are the chords you need. It's in a it's in a double or quadruple time, so that's going to be kind of fairly standard. Two strums per chord, basically one strum every beat. So let's run through the first verse together. Okay, here we go. I'm going to play the last line once, just as intro. So grab your song sheets and let's run through all four verses. Oh, sacred head wounded, with grief and shame weighed down, now scornfully surrounded, with thorns thine only crown. How pale thou art with anguish, So I must apologize that this hymn is a little bit high for me, so my voice couldn't quite hold out. But I hope you still be able to kind of practice along and help you to kind of learn playing this hymn on the ukulele, and hopefully this key is not too high for you. See you next time.